This is part 2 on working on the 1969 Sears Suburban 12. But as you can see, I got the orange stuff painted. I actually had to paint it 3 different times because I try to cheap out on the orange and go with a cheaper paint than what I normally do. And in the long run, it actually costed me more because I had to repaint it 3 times. So anyway, what you're seeing here is the paint I should have did in the first place. It turned out pretty decent. I really like how it turned out. The fenders, it won't show up, but you can kind of see that there's a little bit of like roughness on them just because that's how they were without spending hours and hours and hours on body work trying to get it perfect. It's just kind of whatever. So I got all that stuff ready to put together. Got the grill and seat spring there. And then there's the hood. And then dash. Floorboards are right there. Everything's just kind of been all over the place because it's been sitting here for so long. This tractor's been tore apart for about a month and a half now. So I'm going to actually I'm going to set this camera up and I'm going to show you it getting put together. Okay, as you've seen by that, I got the whole main part of the rolling chassis put together. So I'm going to do the floorboards, dash, and steering wheel, and I will come back once that stuff is put. So as you can see, I made a bunch of progress on it. I still don't have the clutch pedal in it, but I got the engine put in. So this engine that you're looking at is a snowblower engine. It's like a 208cc, it's a snowblower engine, so it has electric start that you plug an extension cord into, no air filter, and a throttle that's at 1 speed. So to fix the throttle, I had to basically hook the throttle cable up to this spring that pulls on the governor, and it seems to work fine because I ran it and it seems to work. So I put a piece of foam back there, which is just temporary. I do have an air filter assembly that I'm going to put on here. And so the story is with this engine, I paid, actually I'm not going to say what I paid. I got a really good deal on it. It's brand new. It came from an auction. And I also have 3 more of them, which I need 4 more engines these 3 engines and that one for every tractor I have. And then I have these. So not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 of these gigantic water pumps that have this 3-inch intake on them. That has this gigantic intake on it. It's a 3-inch trash pump. And if you go over to the front here, it's a 13 horse Life-In engine. So I paid like $230 for these. So being that engine, if you were to go out and buy it, it's way over $300. I got a pretty good deal. Plus I got this whole cage and everything extra. They all got wheels and stuff on them. And then I also got that generator, an air compressor, and a pressure washer also, all brand new. The generator, the problem it has is it leaks oil right between the engine and the generator, so that's the problem with that. So anyway, I'm gonna get some stuff done on this Suburban 12, and I will come back once as I get some progress. Okay, I got a bunch more stuff done. Basically all that's really left is really the seat, decals, and to make the steering wheel look nicer because it's still faded looking and kind of ugly. I made the side hood insert to go over here because that was missing. So basically I took a piece of sheet metal and I bent it up and then I guess cut it to size. It's not perfect, there's some dents right here, but it's kind of whatever. I rattle canned it with some Rust-Oleum chrome paint and it actually turned out pretty nice. I mean, you can see my hand in it. I'm surprised that that's just rattle can chrome to look not that nice. I got the pulley and everything on the engine. I made a front hood insert there without headlights because it doesn't have lights, so why put lights in it? So this is actually going to be it for this video. The next video I will show you with this actually being done. So thanks for watching.